What is going on, traders? Welcome back to our channel. Trendline Forex here. It is 2nd of September today, so it's just the beginning of the month. We're gonna have a look at euro dollar today, and I'll show you a short-term trading opportunity that you could take advantage of, and also kind of my long-term idea here on this instrument. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart, and to me it looks pretty clear. So obviously we are moving in a strong uptrend, but recently we had this pullback forming up. So we talked about this in the previous videos where, we wanted to see price pushing slightly above the 1.1150, 1.1160 level. And that's exactly when we formed this high by tapping into the 1.12 level right here. Since then, we formed a pullback and price is currently trading around 1.1050. Okay, so what is the main idea? Well, I'm looking at the 4-hour chart and I'm expecting that this uptrend that we just saw, and it's confirmed from the higher time frames, will eventually continue. So what does that mean? It means we have to find a high probability buy setup, right? So I think there's going to be a continuation of the pullback to around the 61.8 level, which is roughly 1.0940. That's where I think we will see euro dollar going to next. Okay, well, we've got some previous structure levels to work with. So as you can see, we've got reactions around that level already. So right around 1.0940, maybe slightly above that, not sure. I'm just going to be looking for that reversal back to the upside right around the 61.8 level, a key Fibonacci level, right? And considering that we've also got previous structure here as well, and that this is aligned with another instrument which I'm going to show you in a second, I think this makes it a very suitable level for euro dollar to tap into before going back to the upside. So highest probability trading setups will be down at this level, but that probably means you have to skip trading euro dollar this week, maybe look for trading opportunities next week or whenever we tap into that level. Now, if we are expecting that there's going to be another bearish leg, okay, and a continuation of this pullback to that level down here, then that means we can potentially look for selling opportunities, right? And this is the short-term setup that I'm talking about. Well, if let's say we see price trying to go back to the upside, but then rejecting the level right around 1.11. Why? Because we've got this previous structure, we've got this previous high, and also if you place the Fibonacci retracement level from the Fibonacci retracement tool from this high down here to where we're currently trading at, okay, and you can only do that once you see that there's a move to the upside, okay, then you will see that this is right around the 38.2 Fib retracement level again, right? So another key level. So that makes it a very good level to look for selling opportunities, short-term trades, right? And where do you place your targets? Well, again, right around 1.0940, or really depending on where you start seeing some rejection signals. Obviously, if we are trading down here and we see a signal in the opposite direction, which means a strong rejection wick to the downside, price closing high, well then you can expect that we may start looking for buying opportunities, and that's only when we come and retest this level. Okay, so obviously this setup is going to give you a trading opportunity to the downside, but you have to be more cautious. You have to use less risk, because that means you're basically trading against the trend, right? You can place your stops just above the reversal depending on how good the entry signal is, or you can use this minor high as your stop loss as well. Okay, so this is pretty much what we're looking at here on euro dollar. I believe we may have a quiet price action today. Why? Because it's a day off for the US market. As you can see, it's Labor Day in the US, so we're not going to see that much volume throughout today's session. Okay, now where do I get this whole idea from? How do I know that price will continue this pullback to 61.8? Well, in order to properly analyze the major pairs, or at least those that are traded with the US dollar, then we're looking at the dollar index all the time, and this is what we do every single day in the premium channel as well. Okay, now this is the 4-hour chart here. Well, we did say once we formed equal lows down here, we did say there's going to be a pullback. Now where is this pullback likely to end? Well, we've got the 38.2 level as our first target for this pullback, but we could really see price pushing slightly higher as well, maybe even test the 61.8 level where we've got even stronger structure. Okay, but first 38.2, this is where we want to see the dollar index next. Why? Again, key Fibonacci level and also previous market structure. So if we see this pullback, then that probably means euro dollar will continue and retest the 61.8, just what we looked at a second ago. All right, so this is pretty much how I form up my ideas. This is what you're going to see in the premium channel on a daily basis, where I'm talking about each one of those instruments. Okay, about 20 instruments in my watch list. So if you want to see analysis like this, if you want to receive those trading ideas on a daily basis, just make sure to join the premium Telegram channel. This is pretty much all for now. Remember, short-term trading opportunities, we're looking for sales right around here, and long-term we're looking to buy around the 61.8 on the 4-hour chart. So make sure to leave a comment below this video, follow us on social media, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to receive more videos like this. I'll see you next time.